So, Seraphine, we have a packed house. What was your hope today?
My hope for today was to equip teams with skills to navigate challenging conversations.
And do you feel like that's happening today?
I think so, yeah.
How many of you have a hot take on an issue? There's just so many out there in our country today, and it makes it sometimes a little hard to listen because we already feel very strongly about that topic. Maybe there's some emotions, and then when we encounter someone that has a differing view, it's like our listening ears close and our mouth opens, and sometimes there's just noise.
Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and I'm headed out to a Braver Angels training. What's really cool is that an IUSD student said, you know what, I'd love my community to have these skills as well so that there could be civil discourse.
My daughter learned about this organization this summer, and she really wanted to bring this message, this training.
I think just by learning the LAPP skills and having partners to discuss the new skills we're learning.
So I've had a chance to attend a training before where I learned the acronym LAPP, Listen, Acknowledge, Pivot, Position, which I'll put in the description.
Do you see this being important beyond this classroom here today?
Definitely, yeah. Not just with like political conversations like Braver Angels mainly focuses on, but just everyday casual conversations.
So it could be used to strengthen friendships too.
Definitely, yeah.
I'm so thankful for a student in IUSD who said, you know what? I want our young students, our high school students, adults in our community to have great listening skills so that we could be a part of this democracy and have dialogue with one another where we could mutually respect each other, not force one another's opinions on each other, but at the very least listen. So at the very least, someone could say, I listened to you. But today I'm just really appreciative of the Braver Angels who's providing another training in our community, and especially of our IUSD student who said, you know what, I care about my community and I want them to be equipped with these skills because that builds a better America, that builds a more perfect union.
And so having skills to listen, even when we don't necessarily agree, is a part of this experiment called democracy. It was so awesome to have a student-led campaign here today and to see so many students and adults coming out to learn this skill and it being initiated by one of our own students. Thank you for your service and leadership.
Thank you.
Thank you, Seraphine.
Continued success in this noble mission. So, thank you.
Thank you.